Some friends went to SeaWorld this weekend. What did we do? We organized our leather. Yay to entrepreneurship.
Hello, welcome to our booth. How can we help you?
Ready?
Yes.
You got your phone?
No, it's over here.
Wallet?
You hid it from me? Did you hide it from me?
Yes, I did. Wallet?
Yes.
Keys?
Let's go. One of the things you always want to do is see how traffic is. We're gonna go right around here. Never go into the freeway or go into a trip without going to the restroom first. Making sure you have like a bottle of water. Anything can happen. You can see, I see it all the time on the road. They stop traffic, whether it's an accident or they're gonna remove something or they're painting, whatever it is. You always want to go ahead and before you hit the freeway, go to the restroom, get some water, have like a snack or two in your car. You don't know what's gonna happen. All right, that's my daily rant. No, huh? I'm gonna have to go ahead and park here on the side and just unload.
Yep.
You got it?
Got it.
Love you.
Love you too.
All right. What does this say? This is why you should learn how to read, kids. Tow away Saturday. That's handicap. Somebody I know says handicap. Saturday, October the 19th. Take this off. Let's see if we get in one twist. This is the game. Oh, that's smooth. Let's get out of here. Try not to hit the next car to us. See what it says. I mean, am I reading this right? Handicap parking only on that day, right? Yes. All right. If it's 8:33 right now, we're gonna put it for 10:25 because we're a block away. And this is the way you avoid getting tickets. Morning. Oh, pimples in the peach. So let us tell you the story how we came up with this idea, our cord organizers. Just like any great product, you start by a problem. And a bunch of customers were telling me that their cords were all tangled up if I had anything to organize them. But then I was thinking, hey, we already make these little leather bows for girls. Why not just use one of the ends? Poke two holes at the end, attach fasteners, and with that, make a cord organizer. So we started cranking them up, one after another one. Bap, 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 bap. What was taking the longest time is making the holes, punching them with the hole puncher. Then Sophia was like, hey, why not order one of these, but with the holes already in it? And it was just one click away. Depending who you get your fasteners from, usually comes with a setup so you can use it. I'll take this one right here. For example, I think a good color will be black. The way this works, it gives you this and this one here. And then you're gonna put it right over. This is gonna be the front part. There that is. Now let's do the other part. So you get the little stubby, and there's a longer stubby right here. See the difference? So since we're gonna want to close like that, and people, all this I had to learn through YouTube and a bunch of other creators. So thank all of you. You put it from the back And this one, you get it from the top, the stubby. You click it. This one's hollowed, as you can see right there. So this could go in here like this. There it is. So now you have the organizer. Hey, the organizer. Now, why is this a great idea? Because first of all, it organizes your cables, just like I mentioned before. But second of all, you do not waste much leather. Sometimes you have scraps left over. Now you know exactly what to do with them. Does that mean you're going to have a bunch of them at the end of the day? Absolutely you are. I use coat hangers. And since they already have a hole, I go ahead and slide them in. And yes, tons of them. Eventually, I'm going to use them all. But that's the story on our cord organizers. From a little leather bow to something you could throw in your bag, car, or anywhere else in your office.
Hi, I'm Emily, and I got a wonderful green wallet.
Hi, my name's Jake, and I also got a wonderful green wallet, and the leather is nice and cracked on it, which is really pretty.
Stunning.
You guys, thank you so much for supporting small businesses. We really appreciate it.
Yeah,
Have a good one, guys.
Thank you so much.
Have a good one. She'll probably get mad because I'm looking at a cheerleader. How about now? Any cars coming? No? Okay, now? All right, so Arizona iced tea, chips, and peanuts.
Yes, please.
All right. The boss says so. The boss said so.
Hi, I'm Alex and Amanda.
Hola, hola.
I'm
Alex. She's Amanda.
Okay, don't worry.
We're from the East Coast.
Yeah.
I love this. It's so soft and it's gonna fit all my cards.
Amazing. This is perfectly what she needed.
How we doing? How we doing?
What's up, man? How are you?
Good. What up, bro? How are we? We're good? All right, all right. Hola. How are you? Long time. Good, thank you. There it is. This is what she loves. And there we go. Iced tea. And favorite bag of chips. And if I'm not mistaken, do you have, yes, I see them right here. Y'all, okay, you take care. Hey, have a good one. How you doing?
Free symbols.
Me?
Try to be shy. You want to symbols, guys? What's up, bro? What's up?
How we doing?
I see you.
I see you.
I see you.
That's why they...
Hola. Hello. Oh my gosh. Yes, all of it. Hey, my love. What do you feel like eating?
Oh, one of those. The chicken bacon ranch.
All right, let's try it out. All right. Philly cheesesteak. All right. Perfect. And Sophia wants the chicken bacon ranch. Hello, guys. My beautiful wife would like the chicken bacon ranch, please.
It's just a few minutes for that.
All right. Well, thank you very much. All right. So, whose idea is this?
So me and my business partner, Kellen, we came up with the idea to do Philly cheesesteak about 7 years ago.
Which is your personal favorite one?
My personal favorite is the Philly Bomb. It's kind of got all the veggies on there. It's got the cherry pepper relish, so it's a little bit spicy.
Nice.
A little bit of kick.
What markets can they find you at?
Right now we're doing Otay Ranch, in Chula Vista. We do here in OB on Wednesdays, North Park and SDSU on Thursdays, La Mesa on Friday, Cardiff on Saturday, and Rancho Santa Fe and Hillcrest on Sundays.
Nice. Absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for what you guys do. Perfect. Thank you very much. Thanks, guys.
Oh wow. That is awesome. Drop it.
I'm just kidding. There's the happy dance. Well, that's it. Done. So, question for you. Did you like Dougie's Best Chicken? What is it called? Chicken.
Bacon ranch.
Did you like it?
Loved it. Absolutely.
Would you recommend it?
100%.
Would you tell wives to share with their husbands?
Yes.
Awesome. What up?
I like what I like and I love what I love, what I love, what I love and I
So, we are 10 minutes away from closing up. How was today?
It was good. We made our phone a little bit more. It was a good day.
Ready for this weekend? It's going to be pretty crazy.
I think we're ready.
All right.